Maplewoodshop Woodworking in Camp is a very new and an innovative activity that we just brought into camp this year. The kids love it. It's very different from the typical arts and crafts.
When they get that hammer in their hand, like something comes alive. They haven't had an opportunity to do anything like this before. It's exciting, it's new for them.
Woodworking has been the coolest thing ever. It was new and tactile and really engaging, and the kids get to bring something home.
When they have the tools and the resources, they can make some really cool innovations. It's always exciting.
When camp administrators are trying to put together a good camp program, their top priority is engagement. And with Maplewoodshop, with woodworking, the kids are highly engaged. And they're engaged in ways that I haven't witnessed before. They're so focused on what they're making. They're so excited to be doing the cutting, to do the hammering.
They're really having to creatively problem solve, putting together math skills, geometry, along with hand-eye coordination.
It teaches them responsibility, bonding with peers, teamworking.
They really gain patience and perseverance.
I learned how to use a block plane, and I learned a lot about planning and how to use a measuring tape. We made these guitars. It was really fun.
People get overwhelmed and intimidated when they hear about woodworking, but I'm like, no, these are all hand tools. I didn't realize there's so much you can do with just a hand tool. You don't need the power tool.
The resources have been very helpful, having signs that have the rules stated for each tool and the technique as a reminder.
Maplewoodshop taught us how to teach woodworking, despite the fact that that wasn't necessarily our background. Within just a short period of time, I was able to learn how to use the tools and how to teach the use of the tools.
Maplewoodshop is incredibly helpful. They're hands-on, give us a lot of great project ideas and a way to organize our supplies. They have a really great team, and it's been a pleasure working with them.
For a camp director, there are few activities that hit as many life skills as woodworking. It's a great investment, the behaviors we want to see out of our kids.